Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today we'll be making some kale salad. So we're going to make the dressing first. We're going to add some orange juice, freshly squeezed orange. This dressing is so nice, guys. You should give it a try. Some lime, like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, black pepper, some agave, and olive oil, and give it a quick stir. Alright, so we're just gonna rest the salad dressing aside. Okay guys, to get started with the kale salad, you're gonna devein the kale. So just gonna put everything together and just roughly chop it. Perfect. And prepare the salad. So in the salad, we're gonna have some tomato, almond, some carrots, some onions. This is optional, guys. The olives are optional, so you can the apple, I'll leave it to garnish the vegetables. You want to give this a quick toss, guys. Okay guys, the salad dressing is ready, so we're going to add it to just give it a quick little stir and add it to the salad. You can enjoy it anyhow you like. There you have it, guys, my kale salad. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based video. Until next time, bye.